In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use COUNTIFS in Smartsheet to build a dashboard. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we'll walk through how to use the COUNTIFS function in Smartsheet and how it can power a simple, effective dashboard metric. We'll work with a sample task table that includes common project columns like task name assigned to department, status, priority, due date, and hours. This setup is typical for tracking work, and it's perfect for demonstrating how COUNTIFS handles multiple conditions. Our goal is to count how many tasks belong to the sales department and have a status of complete. This is a classic scenario for reporting, and it shows exactly why COUNTIFS is so useful in dashboards. Start by clicking the cell where you want the result to appear. Many people place this in a summary area on the sheet or reserve a small section at the top, so it's easy to reference when you build your dashboard later. Keeping metrics in a consistent spot also makes maintenance a lot simpler. Now type the formula exactly like this. See COUNTIFS, department, department, sales, status, complete. Press enter. Smartsheet will immediately evaluate the table and return a number. What's happening behind the scenes is straightforward. COUNTIFS looks at pairs of inputs, first a range, then a criterion. In this example, the first range is the entire department column, and the criterion is sales. The second range is the entire status column, and the criterion is complete. Only rows that meet both conditions at the same time are counted. A few quick tips for accuracy. In Smartsheet, referencing an entire column uses the column-column format, like department. Text. Conditions need to be in quotation marks. Make sure your column names match exactly, including any spaces, and that your cell values are consistent. Using drop-downs for fields like status and department helps avoid typos and extra spaces that can throw off your counts. Here's the best part for dashboards. This number updates automatically. If you change a tasks department, mark a task as complete, or add new rows to the sheet, the count refreshes instantly. That makes it reliable for monitoring completed work, tracking team performance, and surfacing key metrics on your Smartsheet dashboard without any manual recalculation. And that's it. One clean formula, a clear result, and a metric that's ready for your dashboard. If you found this helpful, go ahead and like the video, subscribe for more practical tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.